It is not easy to keep your car clean. It's not easy to keep it clean on the inside. It's not easy to keep your car clean on the outside in the summer, in the spring, in the winter, in the fall. It's just not at all easy to keep your car clean, neat, organized.
But actually, it is. All you need are a few clever and easy to use products and a handful of tips and tricks to basically never need to get your car washed or detailed again. Here at Zabba, we own and sell thousands of the most trustworthy and highly rated products you can find online, with the goal of offering you fantastic deals backed up by honest reviews. Today, we're going to go the extra mile and show you exactly how a few of our automotive products can help you keep your car clean on the inside and out all year long. Allow me to introduce you to two Zabba products that are going to make sure you never need to get your car detailed again, never need to get a car wash. Very near and dear to my heart. The Brush Hero all-purpose detail brush and the ThisWorx portable car vacuum. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little bit of a deep dive on these two products, but if you wanna read a little bit about them yourself, or perhaps you wanna read one of the collective 4,000 5-star reviews that these two products have, go ahead and check out the two links in our description below. So we got a little rocker switch here that's gonna control the on and off. Let's turn this bad boy on and get some clean tires. Ooh, all right, scrub-a-dub-dub. Oh wow, this is super easy. I mean, it's fun to use, but also it's gonna keep your rims looking like you just drove off the lot. But it doesn't stop at cars. You can use this thing on your dog, on your shoes, on your tools. You can use it on your grill. I gotta go clean my grill right now, actually, because I have no idea how to do it without one of these. Let's go. Whereas keeping your car looking fresh on the outside can actually be a lot of fun, especially with the Brush Hero. The interior, well, keeping that tidy can feel like an overwhelmingly daunting concept. But like all of life's biggest problems, the best way to start is by starting small. And that's what we're gonna do. And I mean super small, like crumb level small. It's time to get sucking with the ThisWorx portable car vacuum. Currently, the #1 best-selling car vacuum on Amazon. This thing works. Really though, by switching things up with various attachments and hitting all the crummiest spots, your car is going to look fresh out of the detailer and you won't have to tip anyone. Seriously, what's a car detail go for? Like $100 at only $34.99? This is a no-brainer.
Time out. I got a bonus pro tip for you for keeping your car nice and tidy and organized on the inside.
Dedicate some space to get things all in one place and nicely organized. Another #1 best-selling Zabba product, the Drive Auto Collapsible Trunk Organizer. Check it out in all its best-selling glory with the link below. But here's the quick and dirty, quick and clean demo. Put this collapsible and tough box in the back of your car or the trunk and get rid of all that car clutter that you can't live without. Snacks, extra kids' clothes, diapers, kitty litter. That really works in snow, by the way. Games, extra water, phone chargers.
This is gonna cut way down on your general stress level for having a super messy car, but also getting everything in one spot. It's just gonna save you time down the line.
There you have it, a master plan for keeping your car tidy and clean on the inside and out year-round. A hit list for making sure that you'll never again need to pay for a wash or a detail. Whether you're off to college in the family's hand-me-down Subaru or you're just the parent of some messy kids, these 3 Zabba products and a little bit of effort are all you need to keep the mess at bay.